life in my 30s with zero friends and a new life I'm building for myself. 7 months ago, I quit drinking. Last year, I lost over 70 pounds and I lost almost all of my friends. I moved to a new city, San Francisco, traveled to 10 countries last year, started choosing myself for the first time. My life got quieter but clearer. So today isn't exciting, it's intentional. A haircut, a workout, therapy, dinner alone. And if you're watching this, maybe you are here too. Not behind, not broken, just rebuilding, one day at a time. Let's do my hair. Make me pretty. Should I get a buzz cut?
You want to cut some off?
What do you think?
Well, let's see what it looks like when it's brown.
Okay. My scalp feels really good. I did a scalp treatment. That was really good. I'll give them that credit. Oh, I just got done with the haircut. It looks amazing. I feel amazing. I'm gonna go to the gym now. Beautiful. It's December, and it's like, that's why I love California. It's like snowing in East Coast in New York. I called my family. So nice here. But yeah, let's go to the gym. My gym has cold plunge, an individual dry sauna. So I'm gonna try the dry sauna for an hour. Today was a quick workout. Yeah.
Really wanted some washi taste.
I'm doing good. How are you? Oh yeah, I can. Good. Say it again. Okay. Oh, good. Yeah. Look how big my shower is. It goes all the way down there to here. This is what I'm wearing. Just a basic shirt. These pants I'm obsessed with. Yeah. And these shoes I got it. Oops. Online. From this brand from Tokyo. Look at the pants. I'm obsessed with this. Excited about dinner. Really excited. Feeling good.